are being protected by the NRM and by the Speaker. So again, for us, they don't represent us now as leaders in those committees because we have withdrawn them. So the NRM and the Speaker can protect them. They can be chairperson and vice chairperson for Speaker Anita Mong. The same we told Honorable Mpuga, we've withdrawn you. If you remain, you are commissioner for Speaker Anita Mong, which is very clear. But I want to emphasize, the Speaker should stop abusing her powers. When we were allocating people to the budget committee, the Speaker again was overriding the process. She mentioned on the floor that we are going to make administrative changes, which is not provided for within the law. There are people that we had put on the budget committee, Honorable Mwada and others. She said, no, I want Honorable Abed, Honorable Mpuga, and others. I asked her, I said, but Madam, it is our right to choose who should be on these committees. You as Speaker, you're not supposed to interfere with that process. But she did interfere with that and insisted and put Honorable Abed, Honorable Mpuga, and others on the budget committee against our wishes, because we are the ones who designate. And maybe now it is clear why she was putting her people on the budget committee. We are now seeing what's happening. Budget committee members, we are hearing what's coming out of there. I told the Speaker, when you do that, it's as if you have an interest. It's as if you have particular people that you want to work through. Let us do our job. That's my appeal to the Speaker. And I hope she gets to listen, because the day of reckoning is going to come. These things will catch up with her. You cannot keep violating the law. You cannot keep usurping, powers and not letting institutions function. That day of reckoning is going to come. On my end, as far as I'm concerned, as I have said severally, I will not stop to talk about.
We have committees. The committees that we are in charge of, the accountability committees, they are active, meetings are happening, and work is going on. Park Central, Park Kosase, Park Local Government. The third committee, Government Assurances, we don't even know what's happening there. Meetings don't happen, and yet the committee has got leadership and members, and the leaders are from us. So we thought it prudent. We want an active committee. We want active committees. The same way the other ones are active, this one should also be active. All right, and that's why on our end we said let's make changes. But like I'm saying, we didn't even have to give we don't have to give a reason, because it's multi-party dispensation. That's how it ought to operate. Now it clearly shows that these people now are being protected by the NRM and by the Speaker. So again, for us, they don't represent us now as leaders in those committees, because we have withdrawn them.
I hereby make a redesignation of chairperson and deputy chairperson of the committee on government assurances and implementation. And this is in keeping with the rule 196 of our rules of procedure, Madam Speaker, that I hereby, therefore, in keeping with that rule, withdraw the name of the Honorable Dr. Abed Bwanika and the Honorable Bagaala Joyce as chairperson and deputy chairperson of government assurances and implementation respectively, and redesignate the Honorable Seungu Konzaga Joseph as chairperson and the Honorable
There's a procedural matter.
Betty Ethel as deputy chairperson of the committee respectively. I beg to redesignate, Madam Speaker.